What are you doing, Bean? Did you have pizza for dinner? Yes. You had pizza? What you doing to your hair? Well, it looks good. It's a new style. I like it. And then what? Is there anything else you want to tell your adoring audience?